With the new master cylinder and brake lines installed, today we add brake fluid, bleed the brakes, and see if we can finally drive this Packard. And make sure it stops. This is an episode you don't want to miss. Watch it all here on Motorhead Sweethearts. Alright, it's day 3 of working on the brakes. Our master cylinder is installed, our lines are done, and now we're going to add in some brake fluid, bleed the brakes, and hopefully it stops.
Then you want to see if you can grab this.
Pick me up.
Get in there!
David, don't.
Give her a little bit of go-go too. Alrighty. Start her up.
Oh. Try it again. Ooh. I guess so.
She's definitely cold. Definitely needs a little adjustment in the carb. Watch your fingers.
That's a real metal fan.
Yeah, that's a real metal fan with no shroud. Alright, so this is our first cruise. Brakes are done. We fired it up. It's been sitting all winter. So we're going to hop in. First drive. No editing. We might fail miserably.
Honey, we're home.
She runs, stops, she drives. I'd say mission accomplished. Now on to interior. Now we just gotta make her look pretty. Yeah. Don't make it look pretty.
I can't get out of the car, so someone's going to have to.
Me lady.
Well, thank you, my lord.
Yeah. Whew. They don't smell like that anymore. That's like the car guy high is buying the project car, doing the work, and then getting to drive it nuts.
Yep.
Here's Dave under the car. Oh my God! I almost killed David.
Hey, so it's day 3. Alright, so it's day 3 of working on the brakes, and we have our master cylinder installed, our fuel lines are brake lines. Alright, so it's master
Blaster.
Alright, so it's Alright, so it's day 3 of working on the brakes, and our master cylinder is installed, our brake lines are installed. Now we're just gonna add up. What is this, fluid? Okay, so it's day.
Thanks, Rob. This is our camera guy, Rob. Yeah, let's get Robbie.
Yay!
Thanks, Robbie. Robbie, yeah. It wouldn't be anything without Robbie. He's our producer.
Just joined us now.